Hello, I'm Mohamed Muhinde. I'm a trainer in welding. Welcome to our session. Today, we are going to show you how you can cut a 45 on that tube by using angle grinder. Before starting, we will need the material to be cut. This tube, it is a 60-40. It is where we are going to cut that 45 degrees. We have also tri-square which will help us to measure 45 degrees or to make a straight line. We need also the scriber which will help us to scribe or to mark out where the angle grinder will pass or where we want to cut. We have also goggles which will help me to protect my eyes from the spark while I'm cutting. We need also angle grinder which will help us to cut. Before cutting, you have to mark out that 45 degrees. I will need a scriber and tri-square. Here you can start with the reference line. For example, this 45 help us to fabricate the squareness or to put the right angle in the corner. The application of this one you may apply while fabricating windows, doors, even the box where we need a squareness. So that's why I have to use this method, but today I will use only one side, but you can do it for 4 corners in order to get a rectangular shape. But if you are able to cut one corner, you will be also to fabricate a window frame or the box, whatever. Now, how can you cut this 45? For example, you have to measure by using this tape measure. This tape measure will help you to take a measurement. For example, I want to cut 45 for the 50 here. You mark out. You mark out, then you make a reference line here. Also, you put your 45 here like this. You see, you put the tri-square, you slide, then you make this line. Like this. Then you may change here. You mark the line. After marking, you have to do what? You have to cut. Before cutting, you have to put your goggles. Then you plug. After plugging, you may cut. You hold the workpiece before cutting here. You may hold, then you cut by respecting that line. Now you may change also to cut other side by respecting that line. Then you may change also. And then other side by respecting the line. Now, after cutting, you see the portion, and then this is a 90 degrees. When you bend like this, you see, you bend it. For example, you see here, this is a 45. This is how you can cut a 45. 45 from here and 45 from here. When you add 45, you get a 90 degrees like this. Then you may check this right angle. For example, this is a right angle. I may check here. You see, this is correct. This is 90 degrees. After checking, you may apply a welding to hold. You may apply the joint or the butt joint in order to fix this one. Our work for today, it was to cut 45 degrees. I think everyone, when you have this tube, 60-40 or 40-40, it depends on your work. Now, after watching this video, you are able to cut this 45 in order to fabricate whatever, the door, windows, chairs, everything you may cut. Thank you for watching our video for cutting 45 to this tube. I think everyone now is able to cut himself or herself this work. Next time, we shall see how you can joint. Now we have already cut. Next time, we will see how can you join this one by using a sheet metal arc welding process.